My friend wanted to be in the video, so here he is. Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Web Zipper.
Eye contact, man. Show him your mullet. Turn your head that way. Look that way. Look that way. Yeah, he's got a mullet too. You get a bunch of girls, don't you? Yeah, look at him. And what'd you do at school today?
I got a girlfriend.
How many?
I got about 5 girls after me.
Oh my lord. That's more than you can handle, boy.
No, it ain't.
Anything else you want to tell him? You ain't thinking nothing?
I can't.
You can't? So, you want to tell him peace?
Bye, y'all.
Yeah, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I just got home because we're heading here into some honors night for the high school thing. Yeah, because y'all know me, smartest man in the country. Oh, there's the ring thing. Hey! Alright, back on this thing. Come on, Deuce. Deuce, come on. Let up. Here. Alright, I guess you're walking to the creek. I'm finna show you how to go to the creek. I don't know what I was gonna say. I hope y'all enjoyed the little intro. This is about to be bad because everything's about dried up. I have no clue if over there is dried up, but mostly all the water's dried up now. I know the creek still has plenty though. The creek might be higher than last time I was here, if we're being honest. I know it went down, but still, it was definitely a possibility. I just saw a crawfish on the bottom. There's pollen in the creek, bro. Pelican's already back out. We're about to go to where there was a bunch of clay last time. We'll definitely ride in the creek tomorrow. Y'all don't have to worry about that. Oh, I just saw a tadpole. What's over there? There's still a little bit of, yeah, there's still plenty of water over there. on, load up. Load up, Deuce. Hey, come on, load up. Deuce! Bro, I ain't waiting on you. You can load up now. Load up, come on. This is your chance. Load up. Load up. Alright. Stay. Yeah, it's definitely about to be thick. Look at it. I know right there it's thick. And right here it's kind of, his just don't have much under it. Right here's dug out though. And that's always nice. Yeah, I could tell it was thick because I can see the mud bouncing off the tire. Not bouncing off, being slung off. Do it for the gang real quick. You know what we're about to do, man. Y'all know we got to do it. It wouldn't be a video without one. Come on. Here. Deuce, come on. Deuce. Alright, just be stupid. That's your own decision. Peace out. I know it was short. It's because I got home late. But like I said, we're definitely going to be in the creek tomorrow. So yeah, peace out. I'll see y'all on the next. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and sub. Peace.